Oh guys, do you remember when this happened? Funny how things change. But yes, so guys, when I can tell I am a bit darker, I have literally done nothing all week but sit in the fucking sun and tan like a bitch. Like seriously, it felt so good and I no longer look like I've got an illness. I actually have some sort of colour in my skin. Although on camera, like I said, it seems to make me look, I look kind of scary on camera. Like I look really scary. Oh guys, but look, I'm not just trying to be a dirty old slut. My stomach's a little burnt, but I got a massive like tan line. How disgusting. Oh, update actually, I want to quickly tell you, my cover song Daddy DJ will be out soon. All I have to do now is just put my vocals on top. I've done the music, it's sounding so good, like I'm so happy with myself. That'll be out next week, hopefully, it's exciting! Oh my god guys, the other day, right, can I say back, oh my god, Friday, right, oh my god, we had like another power cut. Now I don't know if I mentioned it a while ago, but we had like a power cut like a couple weeks ago, and basically I came home from work and I needed to do some things and like all the electric went out. I have no idea why it was, and it was out for 5 hours it was out for. My phone was like dying, because obviously I didn't bother charging it fully before I left for work in the morning, because obviously I didn't know that was going to happen. And look, I had to resort to playing on this old Nintendo DS. One problem about me being tan now is my foundation doesn't actually match my skin tone anymore, because obviously I've got darker. Pikachu, I choose you. This is why I do not know why people subscribe to my vlog channel, because it's just shit. What am I doing?
This is what the sun does to me.
Okay, so that comment of the video comes from Stefan Bowering. I think that's how you're supposed to say it. I don't know. And they said, oh, Rolly, just marry Matt and that would be a fab wedding. If me and Matt got married, one of us would die within a month. And guys, like I'm really hoping, because obviously next week our weather's gonna go shit apparently, so we're gonna have rain again at normal. But I'm really hoping that we're gonna have like a massive thunderstorm, because I want a thunderstorm and I want to film some thunder. I'm in a really weird mood, like I'm in a weird mood today. So I don't really know what else to say, except for the fact that I was going to come and show you that I look like a Satsuma. Comment down below, tell me what you've been doing, and I'm gonna say, that's my question for you guys today, so just what have you been up to the last couple of days, I want to know. And yeah. I look over to the left, and what do I fucking see? There is this girl hunched over like this, projectile vomiting towards me. Oh